Back for another time in the shop here. Time in the shop. I'm going to show you a few things. I like to show you things, don't I? Yeah. Old T-Roy discovered something today. We got done with that, the Ponce Beaver, and we went to work on other stuff because that's what we do. And this is the side of the where the quill is. Quill? Anyways, oil was getting all the way over the other side through the drum because the seal here was out. This seal right here. That's probably 40 years old, I don't know. And so that was part of the guy's problem with the brakes getting wet on the other side. Actually, not so much the brakes, but it's just another compounded problem. So I'll show you. He's got the old what do you call it? There's the he's got all the discs prepped and ready to go back in. Plates. That's what drives your winch. Makes the trees come to you. Come to you. Makes the trees come to you. So he's got that all apart, cleaned out inside. Oh yeah, this works. We can cook them, we can do whatever, but sometimes we just take the winch band, especially if you got a couple days, and put them in some oil absorbent. This one looks pretty healthy, other than it's full of oil dry now. Yeah, it's just a little up. I'm going to try to do a shorter videos here because I'm getting long-winded. If I'm not doing a project, I don't need to talk so much, right? Right. This one here, same thing up here. I think I was showing you earlier on a different video. And in order to get, oh yeah, there's crackage up there. Yeah, I showed you some of it. But what we're doing here today is we're going to pull that measuring wheel out. Watch what you're doing, Mike. We're going to pull the measuring wheel out so we can get at the cylinder that actually does the tilting of the head. Because as I said, the pin is broken there, the tilt pin. And in order to do that, there's a gear with splines on it, a mechanism with splines on it in there that goes through that shaft. So when the cylinder hits, it flops the head up so the cylinder is basically inside of there and protected. But that's all chewed up, and I had to order the parts today. But I won't see them for 3 days. It's Friday. I won't see them till Tuesday. Hint, hint. So basically that's it. We did I think we had to change the fuel filters on it, and the guys resealed this block here. The little O-rings underneath were puking oil out, so we resealed that already. So that's it. I'll try to edit this up for you and get her out on the old YouTuber. So hope you guys enjoy. See you later. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and all that other good stuff. So, thanks again.